This is a new house in East Downtown in Houston, Texas. For the price and location, click on the link below or send me a message. It's a 2-story, 1,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. The floors are luxury vinyl. You have an island that is 6x4, gas range. So this layout of a range on the left, sink on the right with the dishwasher in the middle is perfect for this size of a house. Inside the house is 19 feet. So from wall to wall, from that wall to that wall, you have 19 feet. Let me show you what we did in the backyard. Yeah. You have high ceilings. This is a 13 feet ceilings. So in the first floor is the kitchen and the living room. You have a 2-car garage. No carpet. Everything is the same luxury vinyl floors that look like wood. So upstairs you have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. The 2 bedrooms, they share this full bathroom. So that's bedroom number 1 with a closet. Bedroom number 2. The bedrooms are 10 by 11. Washer and dryer. It's on the second floor. And this is the primary bedroom. This is 14 feet by 13. You have a big size closet. For the price and location, and to see a list of all the new houses in East Downtown in Houston, Texas, click on the link below or send me a message.